My need was to have a list of tasks and their associated prices pulled from a single project Monday.com board onto a master board of all my projects. The outcome I desired was to see a running total on my master board. Let me show you what I learned to accomplish this.
So when we want to collect funds regarding an individual project, so this individual project or matter is called Smith the Key Shop Formation Board. So I'm going to show you in this demo where money is being collected. I'm going to say that we are collecting $300 here, and let's say that we're collecting $1,500 here. Okay, it can be a flat rate or it can be an hourly rate that's being collected. It doesn't really matter, but as long as the dollar amounts are entered there, you'll see that each grouping shows a sum. So we have sum of 300 in that top grouping, and then down here we have 1,500 as a sum, but we want to total them together. And so I'd like to have a column on the master case list that pulls in for the Smith and Key Shop. We're going to scroll over and we're going to see here a spot where we can collect the total amount charged. Over here on the far right, we're going to add a column, and we're going to use connect boards to pull in items from the individual board that I just showed you, titled Smith/the Key Shop. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and connect the boards here. And since it was a recently used one, we can go ahead and just connect that. Now what I'd like to do is I'd like to make that a two-way connection. So this right here is very important because the information on that individual board is being pulled in here, and we'll be also able to connect to that individual board from here. So I'm going to check that off, and I'm going to choose connect boards. Okay. Now it's asking me if I want to go ahead and create the mirror column. I'm going to say yes to that. And instead of it being a status column that I want to mirror, I'm going to choose from the drop down here, and I'm going to say I want it to be this number column that I have titled money collected. Okay, and I'm going to show it as a sum. So I'm going to click on that as well. All right, so I need to move this over here just a bit. So we have that mirror set up, and I'm happy with those choices. So I'm going to click out of here. Okay, so now it says here that the Smith the Key Shop board is connected here. Okay, we're going to leave that alone for right now. Eventually we can rename that. But the important part is that we also go in to make sure that that particular board can be connected. So in order to do that, on the right line here, the right row, I'm going to click this, and I'm going to go up into board settings. Into board settings, it will show me which boards I already have access to and connected. So I am connected to the Smith Key Shop board, right? So that's good. I am allowing for multiple items from that board to be pulled in here, right? Because we had two different prices that we want pulled in. It can't just be one item. All right, so that looks like that is connected. Now I'm going to go back over to the Smith Key Shop board, and I am going to click here where this connect board column got automatically added when I went through the previous steps just shown. I'm going to go ahead here and click on this. And basically it's allowing us to connect back to that master board. I had a Jennings case on that master board and a Smith Key Shop. I'm going to go ahead and choose the Smith Key Shop board as the connection. And I'm going to go ahead and click out here. All right, now in the event you had a dollar value associated with every single item or row on this board, then you can do a select all for each grouping, no matter how large it is. And then all you have to do to batch attach every single item on the board would be to have them all highlighted like I've done here, and then go ahead and connect them. Now the every single item on the board is now connected, as you can see, but I think we'll just do the ones that we know are related to money. Okay, instead of having them all connected, I'm going to scroll down here and just do the items that I have highlighted in green using the conditional logic. I'm going to click on that. And now the items that have money associated with them should be pulled into the master case list. So I'm going to go ahead and go back over to the master case list. I'm going to go to Smith. I'm going to scroll over. And you can see here that the mirror column was created. So we're going to make this our money collected. That will be our column. And we don't need this one over here now, so we can delete that. And we'll just be using this money collected column. You can see that 1,800 is the grand total so far, okay? Now I'm going to go back over to the Smith Key Shop. And I'm going to, just for demonstration purposes, say that there is some additional charge up here. Since this is another row that is connected to the board, I'm going to go ahead and say that we want to charge another $500 here. Okay, so that item has been added in, and because it's connected to the Smith board, we'll go over to the master board and we can scroll over and we can see that that dollar amount went up. So it is totaling all of the dollar amounts that are added in on the individual board, and it is allowing us to see a grand total, which is exactly what I wanted to accomplish. To learn more, visit our website. But for other sneak peeks into technology designed to improve your productivity, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.